When I first came to the Brand Leader, we had just a plethora of tools that no one actually knew what they were for.
Really, your project management system was your account manager that was sitting about 6 feet away from you.
We ended up moving to Asana because that just seemed like the obvious answer. But then Asana, by adding all of our licenses, ended up becoming cost prohibitive as we grew. Then when you looked at how to track hours, and we had to bolt on a third-party piece like EverHour into Asana, that cost together was absurd. How can we find a tool that not only suits our needs, but isn't going to bust the bank, and also hit everything we need while we grow?
With escalating costs and overwhelming complexity, the Brand Leader found themselves at a crossroads.
Somebody turned us on to Teamwork, and I was really impressed with not only is the time tracking software built in, but that it was built by designers from agencies in the very beginning. So they not only knew what we needed, but they understood the pain points as well.
The very first time that I realized that Teamwork was going to be a major game changer for us, for our team specifically as a design group, was when I discovered the planning tab in Teamwork. We could plan things out and not take it week by week. It really gives a lot of visibility, especially as a creative director, knowing what everybody on your team is working on, what they'll be working on 2 months from now versus what they'll be working on today. That clarity was just game changing.
If your utilization goes up, you know that your team is working. If your profitability goes up, it means they're working efficiently. We couldn't have done that without Teamwork. So we're now able to take our eye off a lot of those particular issues and focus on other issues in the business to help grow to scale.
Teamwork didn't just transform the Brand Leader's project management and efficiency, it also reshaped their approach to collaboration.
And we look at the projects, we look at the client, we determine, okay, who should be the best person to take on this project? Teamwork is really integral to see who has capacity to take that project on. It really creates collaboration between the teams, but then also collaboration with our clients as well, and giving them that clarity to know what's coming and building that roadmap for them.
We recently utilized the budget feature with one particular client and wanted to hire us just for a few hours of a brainstorm session. We tracked the brainstorming time in that meeting itself and then the subsequent meetings, and we knew by the end of it, hey, we only have an hour left of time before this isn't profitable anymore. By understanding our cost centers and the cost per person, per project, we're now more profitable and more efficient. And when I saw that happen, that's when we really knew, like, this thing's not only sticky for us, but it's really the right tool to run our business.